2015 Toyota Sienna. I'm doing the rear outer tail light housing. Mine's broke right here, but I'm also going to show you to do the blinker bulb and the other tail light bulb in here. So let's get to it. So what you want to do is open your hatch, and then you want to come over here. There's two 10mm bolts. Go ahead and get these out. Alright, save these, don't lose them. Now this is probably gonna be the hardest part. So you need to wiggle and pull this straight backwards. It's gonna be stubborn, and what you want to do is pull it straight backwards because there's a clip right here and it needs to slide straight out of this little slot on the housing. If you just yank it off to the side, it's gonna break that clip and break your housing. So once you have it off though, you come over here and disconnect these connectors. It's kind of hard to get a camera view, but there's just two connectors here. You just unplug them like that. There's just like a little button on them, and then you push the button down and then you slide it back. Try not to yank it by the wires, because you could pull the inside pins out and then your light won't work at all. Now here is the housing. Now if you're just doing the bulbs, what you're going to do is just untwist. You're going to twist it to the left and then pull it back like that, and that's how you get your bulb out. You'll pull this bulb out, and then you'll replace it, put your new one back in this connector, and then you'll put it back in and then turn it right to lock it into place. So that was your taillight bulb. Now your blinker bulb is this one up here. Same thing, you just unlock it by twisting it to the left. You pull it out. This one's kind of like a little tight because the wires are so short that it's like kind of holds it in place. But you'll pull this out. This is your blinker bulb, and then you get a new one. Put the new one back in this connector. Put it in. Turn it to the right to lock it. Here's the bulb numbers. I'll link them in the description, so check for that. Now here's the assembly. This is my part number. Doing the whole assembly unit, and I will link this as well. Probably some aftermarket ones in the description. Comes with bulbs and everything, connectors. This is the OEM one. If you get a aftermarket one, they're pretty much replicas of the OEM one. So it's like it shouldn't look different or be like a different color. It should all be like a complete replica. So it's okay to go aftermarket with these. There's no moving parts or anything. But what you want to do is just come and plug in these connectors first. Alright, and then when you put this in, you're going to just slide it straight in. Make sure you get that little clip back there to go inside the slot on the taillight housing. And you just push this straight in, and then once you have it in as much as you can, you'll put your 10mm bolts in. Just like this. Here and here. And you just want to test it out. Now one thing, when you close your hatch, you need to make sure this isn't sticking out. So close your hatch without the power door on. Make sure this is cleared. I've seen guys put new taillight assemblies in. They go to shut the hatch and then they hit the taillight and crack it, and then they got to get a new one. So this is actually a little too close. Let's go to look on the other side. See, this is like a bigger gap. And the reason why you want to make sure the gap's corrected, see I corrected it, you just loosen it and push it to the side. And push it more to the outside of the vehicle. But that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hey, what's up, guys? I wanted to tell you about this new soap I've been using by a new company called Quantum Soap. It's a men's soap company. They make multiple different bars of soap with their own ingredients and fragrance. They even have a dark matter bar, which is more grittier. If you're a mechanic, you have a lot of dirt and oil in your skin a lot, you can reach them at quantumsoapco.com. Free shipping on orders over $50. These soaps are made in the US with all natural ingredients by hand. No synthetic this, synthetic that. They've been great. They've hooked us up with a GearmoAuto promo code. So if you head over to the website, type in GearmoAuto in the checkout, you'll get 10% off. Again, these guys are on Facebook, Instagram. Check them out. Check the links below. Thanks for watching.